Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is March 16th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir, a great day today. So we are up $1.02. That's good for 9.47%. Post-market, we are up a little bit by 3 cents. Let's look at what we have here on the chart. So we have had a hard time staying above 1194. And we made a little bit of a low yesterday right here. So then we started to draw this new support right here. And we seem to be bouncing quite well. So this was a little bounce yesterday. That's a nicer bounce today. And we even broke our resistance right here. This downward resistance has been broken. So this is super nice. I will just put it back red. And what we are really looking at in terms of the main resistance to be broken is this 1194. So we are very close to breaking 1194. We have a nice green candle today. No wick at the bottom, no wick at the top. So it was a full day without any pullback, without any going back. It was a frank day. I start here and I stop there. Boom. So that's really nice to see. That's really nice to see. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. Okay, so at 9:30, so a little bit of a gap here on the 1 hour chart. So this is showing strength in the stock. So a nice green candle, going a little bit higher on the 2nd hour. Look at this selling pressure wick here at the top, and then the stock started to go back down. And if you take a look at my Tesla video, I talk about the FOMC meeting results that came out at 2 p.m. this afternoon. So this is why we have this move down from 2:30 on, from 2 o'clock on. But then after that, the market shook itself off and decided to resume where it left off and even went farther. And also the same thing for the last hour. And look at the wick here. So the stock came down, but then finished all the way up close to the top. That's a bullish sign here. And in terms of indicators, all of our favorite indicators are saying, yes, this is a nice move on the 1 hour chart. Now, let's look at the daily chart. So for the daily chart, the move, we still need to break 1194. That's one requirement. Second requirement, we still have to have stochastic above 60, which we don't. We already have MACD above MACD crossed over bullish, but MACD is wishy-washy, gives us a lot of false signal. Look at RSI. So the RSI is still trending up, getting very close to 50. So above 50 is bullish, below 50 is bearish. So getting above 50, look at this, we are at 47.89. Still maintaining our nice uptrends. This period from January 27 to now is a nice test case for RSI. So RSI was climbing up while the stock was going down. And maybe RSI will be right because maybe we are going to break out of 1194 at some point. This is looking very good. It's not done yet. It's not done yet. It's not over until it's over. So it's not done yet. So we should not jump the gun if we want to be safe. If you want to risk, you can do whatever you want. But if we want to be safe, we need to be patient and not jump the gun. And DMI is still bearish. Let's look at what is going to happen tomorrow to see if we are going to break 1194 with Palantir. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.